Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the troubleshooting code E3200 in Bosch Dishwasher SMV. So, if you're turning on your device and you see your device is currently running and it's stopped and you see the E3200, that the possible causes is the water inlet hose is kinked or the water valve is turned off. This is an alternative option that the water valve is jammed or covered with the lime scale. In the last step, check that your clogged screens at the end of the inlet hose or aqua stop function hose is kinked or blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.